Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler. Thanks for clicking on my video, Mailbox Cash. I want you to be able to take this journey with me. Who can mail letters? Everybody. Almost everybody can mail letters. Sweet. I know. Biggest cost to mail, of course, is your stamps. But listen to this. You receive cash and stamps in the mail. So the stamps cover your mailing expense, which is awesome. It's only a one-time cost to join. There are no monthly fees ever. You get a reseller license, and you get to be in our Facebook group, which gives you all the tips and tricks and secrets to knowing exactly how to have success for you. The best part is duplication is easy because everybody knows what to do. And I'm just starting my journey, and it will change my life. So I invite you to follow along on my journey too. And it is my goal to encourage and inspire you and let you know it's possible to create your own lifestyle. Subscribe to my channel below. I thank you for watching this video, and please don't miss this journey. It's going to be epic. And I do this, of course, because of my grandkids, as you can see. So thanks for watching.